Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Today we will start with our new chapter of history, chapter 2, the Vedic civilization. In today's video, we will study about the coming of Indo-Aryans and the early settlements. Coming of Indo-Aryans. As Indian civilization was most ancient or olden civilization in the world, so it has suffered many invasions. Invasion is when a strong armed force attack on the another country. So we can see that many armed forces attack over India also. So India have seen rise and fall of many empires. The Aryan were first to inherit. Inherit means to receive. The legacy. Legacy is the cultural value or the properties left by the ancestors. So, in short, we can say that Aryans were the first to receive the cultural values of the people of Indus Valley civilization. Aryans lived in Central Asia in region around the Caspian Sea. As there was shortage of food and fodder in that area, so many of them migrated to Europe. Migrated is to move from their native place to another place. And many came to northwest India through the Hindu Kush Pass. Pass is a way between two mountains, and Hindu Kush Pass is now on the border of Pakistan and Afghanistan. So the Aryan came to India by the Hindu Kush Pass in series of waves between 2000 and 1500 BC. BC we have already discussed previously that it is before Christ. So the series of waves means that they have not came together, they came separately at different time. So the Indo-Aryans were the white-skinned nomads. Nomads are the people who travel from place to place for the fodder and the food. The civilization that developed during this period when the Indo-Aryans came to be known as Vedic civilization. Now comes the early settlements. Settlement is when people establish communities or they start living at a place. So that place is known as a settlement. The Aryans came from Central Asia and occupied the area of northern India. Firstly, they settled in Sapt Sindhu. Sapt Sindhu is a name given for the seven rivers. The seven rivers are Sindhu, Byas, Saraswati, Satluj, Ravi, Chenab, and Jhelum. After their settlement in these regions, they moved forward along the course of river Ganga and Yamuna and occupied entire northern region. This period of Aryan settling down in the Gangetic Valley is known as the later Vedic age, that is from 1000 to 600 BC. The Gangetic Valley is the area around the Ganga river. During this period, the two great epics, the Mahabharata and the Ramayana, took place. I think everybody knows about Mahabharata and Ramayana. We don't have any archaeological evidences of Aryans. The Vedic literature is the only source of our knowledge about Aryans, and it is very vast. In next week, we will study about the Vedas, as it's a very important topic. So next week we will cover over that topic. Thank you.